when I first met you, we went out to a hookah bar and we had like really, really good conversations at the pier, and you were just telling me about like how you're a Christian, like all of your beliefs, all of that stuff. And since I'm a man of God and I truly believe in God as well, I just feel like that automatically kind of like gave us a connection, because even if you're from a different religion, just by the way that the person reacts to your beliefs, or if they try to change your beliefs, you can question somebody's beliefs, like, oh, why do you think that? Why do you believe that? But you respected everything that I had to say to you, just like I respected everything that you had to say to me, which just already gave me a really good vibe. Like you said, you can sense people's energies, you can sense people's auras, and you can be like, okay, this is my story, this is your story. We're getting together now. How can we help better each other's lives? Because you were asking me questions on like, okay, this is what I'm doing, this is what you're doing. How can we help better each other's lives? So you were asking me genuine questions instead of trying to ask me like
information
to
level up myself.